Hello friends, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video we'll discuss about what is Power BI, what are the main functions we do it here. So let's start here. Well, what is a Power BI? That is the first question here. Power BI is a tool to visualize and analyze our data. And oftentimes we need to, before we are able to visualize and analyze the data, we need to transform this data as well. That means we need to clean and prepare the data so that we can really visualize, analyze this data. But also we have one more component, and that is creating the so-called data model that basically connect multiple tables and create relationship between these multiple tables here. And also in the last when we can also do in Power BI to share our report and our insight and collaborate with other people. And this different task we can do in different tools in Power BI. So the heart of Power BI really is Power BI desktop. This is where we will spend the most of the time, our time, and where we are also creating all of the reports and doing all of the tasks. And then once we want to share our insight work together with other people, then we need to use also Power BI Cloud or so-called Power BI services. And then the last building block is Power BI mobile. It after we have moved our report into the cloud, we can also consume this report on our mobile phone. So these are the main tasks that we'll always do in every project. And now this is also what we will learn in this course, because these are the main parts that we always have in every project.